This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Online Essentials, Plus, and Advanced come with basic time tracking for your team. Let's go over how you and your employees can start tracking time, and how to categorize entries and billable hours to make payroll and invoicing easier. To start, let's get your team in QuickBooks. Go to Add Employee to enter their info and save. You can also track your own time by simply adding yourself as an employee. Next, select Invite Employee to send an email to your worker, inviting them to enter their own hours. They'll be able to view their timesheets online anytime. Your QuickBooks subscription comes with unlimited employee time tracking accounts, so you can get everyone on board. Next, let's take a look at entering hours for your team. Go to Time, Time Entries, then Add Time. Here, you'll see a list of your employees. You can select an employee to enter their total hours worked, or select Start and End Times. Besides entering time, you may want to include work details to categorize employee hours worked. When adding time, simply select Work Details to categorize hours by customer, project, or type of service provided. If you want to invoice hours to your customer, make sure to mark the time as billable. With your time entered and organized, it's easy to invoice billable hours. Once all your info is in, you can use your dashboard to help you visualize how your team is spending their time. Sort by employee or customer, and view by date range. Now you're ready to start tracking time and make paying your employees and invoicing easier.